Embarking on your cryptocurrency investment journey, a step-by-step guide for beginners. Curious about venturing into the world of digital currencies, but unsure where to start? In this beginner-friendly video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to initiate your cryptocurrency investment journey. From understanding the basics to making informed choices, we've got you covered. Deciphering cryptocurrency, the basics of cryptocurrency, unraveling the mystery behind blockchain technology, and exploring the unique features that make digital currencies a fascinating investment option. Educational resources for new investors. Explore a plethora of educational resources designed for beginners. Discover reputable sources, online courses, and platforms that offer valuable insights into the intricacies of the cryptocurrency market. Navigating the cryptocurrency, delve into the diverse range of cryptocurrencies available. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, grasp the key players in the market, and learn how to conduct comprehensive research to make informed investment decisions. Choosing a trustworthy exchange platform. Navigate the process of selecting a reliable cryptocurrency exchange platform. Understand the significance of security features, user-friendly interfaces, transaction fees, and available trading pairs in choosing the right platform for your investment journey. Securing your digital assets with a wallet. Learn the ins and outs of setting up a cryptocurrency wallet. Explore the differences between hot and cold wallets, hardware versus software wallets, and crucial security measures to safeguard your digital assets. Risk management and portfolio diversification. Embrace the importance of risk management and portfolio diversification. Discover strategies to manage risk effectively, set realistic expectations, and diversify your portfolio to optimize potential returns. Remaining informed in a dynamic market. Stay abreast of the dynamic cryptocurrency market. Explore reliable sources for market trends, news, and regulatory updates that could impact your investments, ensuring you make informed decisions. Long-term investment vs. short-term trading strategies. Understand the nuances between long-term investment and short-term trading. Weigh the pros and cons of each strategy to align your investment approach with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Embark on your cryptocurrency investment journey confidently with our step-by-step guide. Subscribe now to Embarking on your cryptocurrency investment journey, a step-by-step guide for beginners, and take your first steps into the exciting world of digital asset investment.